Only a few people will ever own this, a numbers-matching 1970 Trans Am Ram Air 3 with a 4-speed legendary Pontiac power and a $120,000 collector price tag. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a true American muscle legend, a car that represents the golden age of Pontiac performance, a machine built for speed, attitude, and pure driving excitement. This is the 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Ram Air 3, a rare icon that combines aggressive styling, legendary engineering, and collector-level restoration into one unforgettable package. The moment this Trans Am appears, finished in the stunning Lucerne Blue exterior paint, this Firebird captures everything that made the early Trans Am era special. The sharp body lines, wide stance, signature graphics, and unmistakable Ram Air hood create a presence that feels just as powerful today as it did more than 5 decades ago. This is not just another classic muscle car. This is a carefully restored piece of Pontiac history, featuring the exact combination collectors dream about: a numbers-matching Pontiac 400 Ci V8 engine, a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, and the legendary performance equipment that made the Trans Am name famous. Under the Ram Air hood sits the heart of this beast, the Pontiac 400 Ci V8. Known for its massive torque delivery and unmistakable muscle car soundtrack, this engine represents the raw personality of Pontiac's performance division. Every press of the accelerator delivers the feeling of an era when horsepower was mechanical, emotional, and unforgettable. The engine is paired with one of the most desirable transmissions in muscle car history, the Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. For enthusiasts, this is the ultimate connection between driver and machine. Every gear change, every shift, and every burst of acceleration creates an experience that modern cars struggle to replicate. Helping put that power to the pavement is a performance-focused drivetrain setup featuring a 3/73 gear ratio, Posi traction, and a durable 12-bolt rear end. This combination gives the Trans Am strong acceleration while maintaining the confidence needed for spirited driving. It is a setup designed for drivers who want more than just a beautiful classic. They want a true muscle car experience. Stopping power comes from a combination of power brakes, front disc brakes, and rear drum brakes, providing a balanced system for this legendary Pontiac. The car also features power steering, making it easier to enjoy the road while maintaining the classic driving feel enthusiasts love. The stance of this Trans Am is enhanced by iconic polyglass tires, with aggressive F60 15 tires in the front and rear. These tires complete the muscular appearance and give the car the unmistakable road presence that made the Trans Am a symbol of performance. Moving around the exterior, every detail tells a story. The Trans Am decals, aggressive Ram Air hood, and carefully restored body showcase the classic design that has inspired generations of car enthusiasts. The restoration includes all new body mounts, undercoated floorboards, liner finished wheel wells, and a black painted subframe, ensuring this Pontiac looks incredible from every angle. But the beauty of this Trans Am continues underneath. The underside has been treated with the same attention to detail as the exterior. It features an undercoated underside, a new gas tank, a new exhaust system, new brake lines, new fuel lines, and upgraded suspension components, including front and rear sway bars. This attention to restoration quality means this Firebird is not just designed to sit in a collection. It was built to be appreciated on the road, where the sound of the Pontiac V8 and the feel of the manual transmission can truly come alive. Inside the cabin, the experience continues with a classic blue interior that perfectly matches the exterior personality. The blue trim factory gauges, factory-style radio, and center console maintain the original Pontiac atmosphere, while new carpet and a new headliner provide a fresh, restored appearance. The interior is a reminder of what made these cars special. No complicated technology, no distractions, just a driver-focused cockpit surrounded by classic American muscle car design. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Ram Air 3 represents an important chapter in automotive history. It was a time when manufacturers built cars with bold styling, powerful engines, and personalities that could be recognized from across the street. Today, finding a Trans Am with the right specifications is becoming increasingly difficult. A numbers-matching 400 CI V8 Muncie 4-speed manual, Lucerne blue paint, and extensive restoration details make this example highly desirable among collectors. With a price of $120,000, this Pontiac is more than a classic car. It is an investment in American performance history. It represents the sound, style, and spirit of an unforgettable era. The 1970 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Ram Air the Threed is proof that some legends never disappear. They simply wait for the next generation to experience the thrill, the power, and the emotion of true American muscle.